Did you know that some everyday foods have the potential to target and even destroy cancer stem cells? These are not just ordinary cancer cells. They're the master cells that fuel tumor growth, spread cancer throughout the body, and cause recurrence even after treatment. While medical science continues to search for advanced treatments, nature has quietly armed us with powerful tools that may help reduce our risk and enhance our defenses. Among the most impressive are certain whole foods that not only nourish the body but also actively fight against cancer at a cellular level. Let's start with one of the most surprising cancer-fighting foods, purple potatoes. These vibrant vegetables owe their rich color to compounds called anthocyanins. These antioxidants have been shown in studies to kill colon cancer stem cells while leaving healthy cells untouched. This targeted action is critical because cancer stem cells are often resistant to chemotherapy and radiation. By including purple potatoes in your diet, you're not just adding color to your plate, you're introducing a natural defense mechanism that can help protect your digestive system from cellular damage and disease. Another powerhouse in the fight against cancer is green tea. Long appreciated for its calming properties and metabolic benefits, green tea contains a compound called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG for short. This substance has been widely researched for its anti-cancer potential. EGCG can interfere with the life cycle of cancer cells, inhibiting their growth and triggering a process known as apoptosis, or programmed cell death. Regular consumption of green tea, just 2 to 3 cups a day, may offer your body a steady supply of this protective compound, helping to neutralize free radicals and slow the progression of harmful cells before they can take hold. For coffee lovers, here's some good news. Your morning habit might be doing more than just waking you up. Coffee contains polyphenols, diterpenes, and other biologically active compounds that have shown promise in fighting cancer stem cells. Like green tea, coffee has antioxidant properties, but it also appears to help regulate cellular metabolism. Some studies suggest that regular coffee drinkers have a lower risk of several types of cancer, including liver and colorectal cancers. While moderation is key, too much caffeine can have side effects. Your daily cup of coffee could be part of a broader strategy to support your body's natural defenses. Tree nuts, especially walnuts, are another food group worth highlighting. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, ellagic acid, and polyphenols, all of which play roles in fighting inflammation and protecting cells from oxidative stress. But more than just general health benefits, walnuts have demonstrated the ability to disrupt the communication pathways that cancer cells use to multiply. Incorporating a handful of walnuts into your diet several times a week can provide your body with critical nutrients that not only support heart and brain health but also contribute to cancer prevention. Let's shift focus for a moment and talk about the immune system. Your immune system is your body's internal army, trained to identify and eliminate threats, including cancerous cells. A strong immune system can recognize mutated cells before they form tumors, and even attack cancer cells in their early stages. So, supporting your immune system with the right nutrition is absolutely essential. One of the best foods for this purpose is broccoli sprouts. These are the young, tender shoots that grow from broccoli seeds and are typically harvested just 3 to 4 days after germination. Despite their size, they're incredibly powerful, containing high concentrations of a compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane stimulates enzymes in the body that detoxify carcinogens and supports immune function by activating natural killer cells. Adding broccoli sprouts to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies is an easy and effective way to give your immune system a serious boost. Blueberries are another top-tier immune booster. They're packed with anthocyanins, flavonoids, and vitamin C, all known to support immune function and combat oxidative stress. But what makes blueberries especially valuable in the fight against cancer is their ability to enhance the activity of natural killer cells and T cells. These immune cells play a key role in detecting and eliminating abnormal or cancerous cells. Eating blueberries regularly doesn't just taste good, it strengthens your body's ability to protect itself from disease. Let's talk spice, specifically chili peppers. These fiery vegetables contain capsaicin, the compound that gives them their signature heat. Beyond flavor, capsaicin has demonstrated anti-cancer properties in laboratory studies. It may help to induce apoptosis in cancer cells, reduce inflammation, and inhibit the spread of malignant cells. Some research has shown that capsaicin can interfere with the expression of genes that promote tumor growth. While you don't need to overdo it, adding a bit of chili pepper to your meals could enhance both flavor and function. And speaking of powerful foods, garlic deserves a mention. Known for its strong aroma and wide-ranging health benefits, garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound that's activated when garlic is chopped or crushed. Allicin has been shown to slow the growth of cancer cells and enhance immune response. Garlic also promotes detoxification and may help reduce the risk of cancers in the digestive tract. Whether roasted, raw, or sautéed, incorporating garlic into your cooking can be a flavorful and medicinal choice. Mushrooms are another underrated immune enhancer. Varieties like shiitake, maitake, and reishi contain beta-glucans, which are naturally occurring polysaccharides that help regulate immune function. These compounds enhance the activity of macrophages and natural killer cells, allowing your immune system to better identify and destroy abnormal cells. Some medicinal mushrooms are even used in integrative oncology settings to support patients during treatment. Adding mushrooms to soups, stews, or stir-fries can provide a therapeutic dose of immune support. Turmeric, the golden spice, has earned a reputation as one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods available. Its active ingredient, curcumin, has been studied for its ability to slow the spread of cancer, interfere with tumor growth, and enhance the effects of chemotherapy. However, curcumin is not easily absorbed on its own, so it's important to consume it with black pepper, which contains piperine. Piperine boosts curcumin's bioavailability by up to 2,000%. Whether taken as a supplement or used in cooking, turmeric can be a potent addition to a cancer-fighting lifestyle. Beyond individual foods, it's important to recognize the role of the gut microbiome in immune regulation and cancer defense. A healthy gut supports immune surveillance, inflammation control, and nutrient absorption. To feed your gut, include plenty of fiber-rich foods like whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut can also help maintain a balanced microbiome. When your digestive system is healthy, your entire body, including your immune system, is better equipped to fight off threats. Hydration also plays a crucial role. Drinking enough water supports detoxification, aids in cellular repair, and ensures that your body's systems operate efficiently. While water itself doesn't fight cancer directly, it supports the processes that help eliminate toxins and carry nutrients to cells. Choosing clean, filtered water and avoiding sugary beverages can make a big difference over time. Of course, nutrition is just one piece of the puzzle. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and avoiding harmful substances like tobacco and excessive alcohol also play vital roles in reducing cancer risk. But when it comes to daily decisions, what you choose to eat has one of the most immediate and long-term impacts on your health. The most empowering part of all this is that you don't need a radical transformation to benefit. Start small. Swap in purple potatoes instead of white. Add green tea to your morning routine. Toss blueberries into your oatmeal. Sprinkle turmeric on your roasted veggies. Each of these choices stacks up, reinforcing your body's ability to detect, destroy, and eliminate harmful cells before they can gain a foothold. In the end, cancer is a complex disease with many causes, but the steps we take today can shape our resilience for tomorrow. While there's no magic cure, the consistent use of scientifically supported, nutrient-rich foods gives our bodies the best possible chance to stay strong, heal from within, and prevent disease before it starts. Food isn't just fuel, it's protection. So next time you sit down to eat, remember, every bite is either fighting disease or feeding it. Choose wisely, nourish deeply, and live intentionally. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who believes in healing through nature. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more natural remedies and everyday health tips. Take care of your body the natural way, and I'll see you in the next video.